morning everyone. Today I would like to talk about the power of positive thinking. Positive thinking is like a bright light that helps us to see the good in every situation. It's about looking at life with hope and optimism even when the things are tough. When we think positively, we believe that good things can happen and that we have the ability to make them happen. Suppose if you have an exam coming up, instead of feeling worried, if you stay positive that you will study hard and will give your best, then it will definitely help you to stay more calm and confident. Positive thinking isn't about ignoring problems or pretending everything is perfect. It's about facing challenges with a positive attitude that helps us to stay motivated. Positive thinking can also make a big difference about how others feel about us and how we feel about ourselves. When we believe in ourselves and stay positive, we radiate confidence and attract positive. And trust me, people love around being someone who sees the good in life and faces challenges with a smile. Overall, positive thinking is a powerful tool that we all have in us, and by focusing on the good, staying hopeful and believing in ourselves, we can overcome challenges and reach our goals. Thank you.